For chicken bouillon, we need 1 chicken, 2 carrots, onion, bay leaves and salt. For serving, gluten-free pasta, egg and dill. Cut the chicken and put it into the pan. Pour water to the chicken. Put to the fire and cook 20 minutes. After the chicken boils, skim off the scum and fat. Take one more 5 liters pan and fill in 4 liters of water. Take off the pan with chicken. Put to the fire the pan with clear water. Shift the chicken to the new pan. Leave on fire around 40 minutes. Cut carrots on 2 parts. Put it to the bouillon. Add onion. After the bouillon boils, add bay leaves and salt. Switch off. Cook the eggs in steep and cut it in 2 parts. Serve the bouillon with pasta. Add egg and dill. Enjoy healthy food. Bon appétit!